Introducing the 2025 GW256A Thermal Imaging Camera, now available on Aliexpress. This high-resolution infrared thermal imager captures detailed images with a crisp 256 by 192 pixel resolution, delivering precise and reliable temperature readings every time. With support for both photo and video recording, plus video playback, it's perfect for quick inspections and long-term maintenance tracking. Covering a wide temperature range from -15 to 550 degrees Celsius, it's ideal for PCB diagnostics, electronics repair, and industrial applications. Designed for Android Type-C phones, it connects seamlessly, turning your mobile device into a powerful thermal camera in seconds. It also features adjustable emissivity from 0.01 to 1.00, allowing you to fine-tune readings for different materials and surfaces. Weighing only 28 grams, it's ultra-portable and easy to carry anywhere, perfect for on-site diagnostics. And with support for English, Russian, and Chinese, it's ready for global users right out of the box. The GW256A, compact, powerful, and designed for professionals on the go.